Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, you'll want to obviously open up settings. From here scroll, I believe it might be in about phone. Yep, about phone you have factory reset, then erase all data, and you can select factory reset or backup depending if you want to keep some of your data on the device. You would back it up. If you don't, select factory reset, and then you need to wait 10 seconds here and 10 seconds on another page when the device is just forcing you to acknowledge the fact that factory resetting your device will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you like to keep, to back it up beforehand. Just wait for this to allow us to actually click on the OK. There we go. And the process will now begin. Now this will take approximately a minute to like a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.